What is going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Random, and in today's video, and as much as it goes against what I want to do, I wanted to keep this California Special Mustang GT as original and as stock as possible. And by that, I mean by trying to keep this damn chrome grille. As much as many of you hate it, I'm going to let you in on a little secret. I hate it too. I really do. So a lot of you guys are getting your wish today. But the reason I'm doing it is because the chrome is actually starting to peel, because, you know, you're out here in the country, there's a lot of things, rock chips and bugs and all sorts of things that are starting to chip away at the original chrome. So what we're gonna do in today's video is I'm finally giving in. I am painting the chrome grille, the California Special one-of-a-kind chrome grille, black. But there is a catch. What is the catch, you might be asking? Well, the catch is I'm not really painting it fully black. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plasti dip it black. That way, not only can I preserve the original chrome, whatever's left of this chrome grille, but at the same time, I can actually change the look. And if I ever change my mind, I can just peel it right off and there shouldn't be an issue. Now, there is a catch to actually painting the grille black. A lot of Mustangs, actually most of every Mustang that came out, every GT, V6, whatever, if you want to remove the grille, it's being held by several tabs. All you literally have to do is grab your hand and just give it a nice tug and the whole thing would just come right out. But this being a California Special Mustang, the actual grille is integrated into the freaking bumper. That means I will have to take out the entire bumper. Not only I've got to remove this, sorry guys, I'm just a neat freak when it comes to like this beautiful freaking intake here. Anyways, I gotta remove this entire front cowl right there, as you guys can see. And then on top of that, the actual grille, you can see right there, it's riveted to the freaking front bumper. So as much as I wanted to avoid doing it this method, I actually even changed my mind. I was like, you know what, I'm not gonna do it this way. I'm gonna have to just literally tape the whole front end and just spray paint it. Pray for me, guys, that this thing comes out good. But without further ado, let's go ahead and change the look drastically of this Mustang GT California Special, guys. That black is gonna be so aggressive. I can't wait to see what this thing looks like. All right, guys, so, oh my God, after God knows how long, sweating my ass off, of course, it looks like freaking tornadoes coming or some crap like that. Either way, I taped the living crap out of the front end of the Mustang. Now, this is the moment where we thank the car gods for inventing plasti dip. If you absolutely mess up, screw up, you can just peel it off, man. Thank you, car gods! Oh shit, that echoed. My neighbors must think I'm crazy. Oh wait, what neighbors? Anyways, let's go ahead, literally change almost the entire look of this car with a can of plasti dip, guys. Wish me luck. I'll catch you guys on the other side. Are you not entertained? Are you not entertained? Whew. Oh man, who would have thought plasti dipping the front grille of a Mustang would work you up harder than a fat girl attached to a treadmill with a donut hanging in front of her head? Oh my God. So now we must let it sit and see what the outcome is, my friends. All right, I gotta keep it real with you guys. That thing came out badass. Holy crap, what a difference. Oh my God. What a difference does literally painting your chrome grille to black make on a Mustang. Holy crap. I mean, this car, from any angle you look at this car, hands down, not because I own one, but you can ask a lot of people, hands down, one of the best designed, if not the best looking generation of modern Mustangs ever made, period. I mean, oh my God, I'm literally speechless. So I'm gonna leave you guys with a quick before and after. You judge for yourself. Again, thank you guys for watching the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. I got some pretty nice mods, starting off simple with it. Got some nice mods coming up for this Mustang. Stay tuned.